Welcome to our thrilling exploration of one of the world's most iconic engineering marvels, the Golden Gate Bridge. In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating secrets of this majestic bridge, including its hidden catwalks. Join us as we embark on a journey through the history, construction, and hidden wonders of the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge, spanning the Golden Gate Strait in San Francisco, California, is an awe-inspiring symbol of human ingenuity and determination. Completed in 1937, this suspension bridge has not only connected the city, but has also captured the hearts of millions around the globe. Today, we'll reveal the lesser-known catwalks that lie hidden within its structure. The Golden Gate Bridge is an engineering marvel designed to withstand the forces of nature and the test of time. Its towering orange-red towers and sweeping suspension cables are a testament to human innovation. But beyond the visible beauty, the bridge holds hidden secrets within its structure. Deep within the framework of the Golden Gate Bridge, hidden from public view, are the catwalks that wind their way along the length of the bridge. These narrow walkways were originally built to allow workers to access various parts of the bridge during construction and maintenance. Today, the catwalks are primarily used by the bridge's maintenance crew. These brave individuals venture onto the catwalks to inspect, repair, and ensure the bridge's structural integrity. It is a challenging and vital task that requires skill, courage, and a deep understanding of the bridge's inner workings. The catwalks offer a unique and hidden perspective of the Golden Gate Bridge. From this vantage point, maintenance crews witness breathtaking views of the San Francisco Bay, the city skyline, and the magnificent expanse of the Pacific Ocean. It is a privilege reserved for those who venture into the secret world beneath the iconic structure. The catwalks of the Golden Gate Bridge serve as a reminder of the unsung heroes who work tirelessly to maintain and preserve this engineering masterpiece. Their dedication and expertise ensure that the bridge remains safe and functional for the millions who cross it each year. The Golden Gate Bridge, with its hidden catwalks, continues to inspire awe and admiration. Join us next time as we uncover more captivating stories and explore the wonders of our world. Until then, let the grandeur and hidden wonders of the Golden Gate Bridge remind you of the remarkable feats that human determination and ingenuity can achieve.